Okay, so let's open up the packet. Alright, looks like it's been smashed on the way in. It's very small. So there it is. Just a red marking on there of some sort. Nothing on the back. Looks like a RP SMA connector. Another one there. And let's see what happens when we try and open it up, see what they've got inside it. Okay, so we're in the loft now, and here is my miner. You can see this is the Paradar 8.5 dBi connected with an adapter to the miner here, and you've got a LAN cable coming, and that's going to my Netgear switch. Screen is currently off. And I've just hooked this up to, let me put the flash on. You can see just a bit of string to the loft. Please ignore the mess. Okay, so what we're going to do is just do a shutdown on the web interface, and just hit shutdown there, just hit confirm. Okay, so that, even though I hit shutdown, you can still see the lights are on here. The network blinking lights are on, so the next thing to do is, I'm not quite sure why that's still on actually, that's strange, maybe that's one to raise with their tech team, but the next thing to do is just unplug it. And then I'll take the miner down, I'll take this off, I'll unscrew that, I'll take that out now, take the miner downstairs, and we'll put the filter in between, and we'll bring it back up, and then we'll put it all together again. Okay, so we've got the miner here, so I'm just gonna, so the COTX is a very weak power slot here, so I'm not gonna touch that because that could break, and then if that breaks, then I have to take the whole thing apart, and there's a Raspberry Pi USB-C and a micro USB slot here, but I don't really want to have to deal with that right now, so I'm just going to be very careful with this port. And then I'm just going to undo this adapter, so that should be anti-clockwise. Let me go get a spanner. Okay, let's see. very gentle. And this is going anti-clockwise. Just take that off. So this is the adapter I got just to connect directly. So that's an N male, and I guess that's an RP SMA male. So the next thing to do, I guess, was to connect the filter onto the miner. It's pretty obvious which goes where because that's not going to go into there. So you just tighten that. It's pretty tight, hand tight is probably enough. Yeah. And then I'm just going to put the adapter back on, so you can see. Again, hand tight should be enough. You'll know pretty soon if you've not done it right because you won't be witnessing anything. And then I'm just going to go back into the Loft and put this on the antenna and repower everything back up, and then we'll monitor for a few days and see what the results are.